Hi everybody, well I'm back again with chord tutorial number 2, and this time it's going to be more of a theory lesson, which may seem dry and unnecessary, but it will help you in the future. You'll just have to trust me on that. So last time I asked you to work on a chord progression of C, F, G, and C, and this time I'm going to talk about what that means in the key of C, and a little bit more too. So it's a really brief theory lesson. It's not like working methodically through all of theory, because you don't really need that for the purposes of what we're doing, but it will give you a little more tools in your toolbox to figure out the songs for yourself and to make a little bit of sense of what the chord symbols mean. So with that in mind, I have my beautiful little theory sheet drawn up here. So as you can probably see, this is a keyboard with the notes labeled, just the white ones. And then I have this little bracket here that goes from C up to C, and that's the key of C. So those are the notes incorporated into the key of C, making different chords, etc., etc. That's the basics. So in music, probably around the end of the 18th century, I don't know that for sure, but that's what I read in 5 minutes of Google research, somebody decided that they would number the chords. So in the key of C, C is 1, or if you don't like to read in Roman numerals, you can see it here in Arabic. Anyway, they decided to name them Roman numerals, and you can see some are big and some are small, and there's a reason for that. But you don't need to know that today. So 1, D is 2, E is 3, F is 4, and so on up to the top. So in the key of C, the 1 chord is C, the 4 chord is F, the 5 chord is G, and again the 1 chord is C. Either one, same chord, just a different pitch. In the key of G, same rules apply, but in the key of G, 1 is G. So over here in the key of C, 1 is C, G is 5. In the key of G, G is 1, C is 4, D is 5, and G is 1 again. So you can see, depending on what key you're in, which just means the note that you're going to start on and the note that you're going to end on, basically, is the key that you're in. And that applies to every key. So for instance, in the key of F, 1 is F, 4 is B flat. Why is it flat? Doesn't matter right now. 5 is C, and 1 again is F. So going on, there's our chord progressions from last week. So 1, 4, 5, 1, key of C, C, F, G, C, key of G, G, C, D, G. And those are all chords that you know. And then this is the progression that we're going to work on for this week. I'm going to do that in a video that follows this one. So 1, 5, 6, 1. In C, C, G, A minor, C. In G, G, D, E minor, G. So that's your very brief theory lesson for today. And from now on, when we're talking about chord progressions, I'm going to tell you what the chords are, but then I'm going to talk about them in terms of the number on the scale. So that's all for right now. For this one, I'm going to do a follow-up tutorial with the chord progression 1, 5, 6, 1. Okay, hope you're staying well. See you soon. Bye.